In this lesson, we will discuss chapter number 3, integration, exercise 3.2, question 2, part 4. And the question we have, suppose we have a function of integral a minus 2x 3 over 2 dx. This is our question. We have to integrate it, right? So this is very simple question, but one thing is missing in this question. See, this is the function. Function is means this is f of x, right? F of x, and it has a power of 3 raised to power 2. It means n represents power. We have a function, but f prime x, or the derivative of function, is missing here. See, this is the theorem, a minus 2x, right? If we have this expression raised to power n or exponent n, so there should be the derivative of this function. Whatever is inside the parenthesis, not the exponent, whatever you have inside the parenthesis, there should be the derivative, and the derivative is minus 2 or negative 2 because a is constant. So what we have to do, a minus 2x, we will multiply this expression with minus 2, and then we have to divide as well. Only this part we have to add in this question because f dash x, the derivative of this, is missing here. So the derivative is minus 2. This is the constant term, and for the constant the derivative is 0. So minus 2, right? Okay, now this minus 2, a minus 2x multiplied by minus 2, is the requirement of the question because this is the function and there should be the derivative. This is extra and this is also called the constant, so I can take this outside the integral sign. It will be like this. So it is now a minus 2x raised to power 3 over 2 multiplied by minus 2 dx, because this is constant I have taken here. Now we will start the integration, and how I will do the integration. See, function x n plus 1, whatever power we have, you have to add one increment and then you have to divide it by with the new power. So same rule we will apply here. It is 1 over 2, right? And a minus, this is multiplication, 2x 3 over 2 plus 1. Our new exponent is 3 over 2 plus 1, and here we are going to add constant of integration. So it is negative 1 over 2 a minus 2x raised to power 5 over 2 divided by 5 over 2 plus c. So this is the reciprocal. It will become here in the numerator and 5 will remains in the denominator. This 2 will cancel this 2. I will write down the answer here. Negative 1 over 5 a minus 2x raised to power 5 over 2 plus c is our answer. Right, how simple it is. But still, if you have any question, you can ask me and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.